If you don't like your sofa right here, you're probably gonna hate the scratches down there. If you've marked up your hardwood floor, don't stress. I'm about to show you how to undo it.
How to Undo with Mike Montgomery. That's me.
You've rearranged your furniture and you've left a permanent reminder on your hardwood floors. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to make that not so permanent.
Yay!
For small scratches, you'll need some polyurethane and a foam brush. And for larger voids, you'll need wood filler, a putty knife, and some matching stain. And if your scratch is only affecting the polyurethane finish of your floors, all you need to do is apply a coat in the same gloss. Then just be sure to let it dry for 24 hours before you walk on it. And if the scratch goes through the surface of the wood, there's just a couple of extra steps that we've got to take care of. First, we'll need to fill the void. And to do that, I like to use Bondo Wood Filler. This is a super unique two-part product. First, you'll take a dollop of your Bondo and then spread a bead of your hardener and mix it really well for 2 minutes. When you apply it, be sure to move quick, but don't be messy. I like to use a flexible putty knife, making sure to remove any of the excess around the edges of the void. Bondo dries quick, so clean up that haze using mineral spirits. Then allow your Bondo 15 minutes to cure before staining.
Oh yeah.
I like to use these stain markers. They're quick and easy to use, and they come in all different colors to match your floors. Apply the stain to your Bondo, making sure to wipe away the excess quickly. We can never make a repair this big completely disappear, but we did help it blend into the wood, and now it's completely smooth to the touch. And to prevent scratches from happening in the first place, just use these self-adhesive felt pads on the bottom of any of your furniture legs. And if you're remodeling, you can also consider installing scratch-resistant flooring, like LifeProof. So you never have to deal with problems like that again. Now that is smooth. It's like those scratches never even happened. And now that you know how to fix imperfections in your hardwood floors, you can make repairs to any wood surface throughout your house. I really need some walls in here. So thanks a ton for watching. Be sure to click right here for more How to Undo episodes, and here for more on flooring. As always, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you next time on How to Undo with Mike Montgomery. Man, that's a good song.